Welcome back everyone. Today we are learning functions in Python. Functions allow us to create our own commands which is very useful. To create a function, you need to know the keyword, the name of the function, and mainly what the function should do. So the keyword for writing a function is def, and this is the syntax. So what is the syntax? Is just write def first, and then it needs to write the command. This is a and we just need to do something, and which we have to write in command. So let's now jump to our Jupyter notebook. So let's explore this concept first. For that, we need to go to our Jupyter notebook. Let's go inside it. So here we have Jupyter notebook, and let's say def say hello, and you need to give parentheses here and then a colon, and you will notice an auto space here, so that means it's inside this function, which we can understand that it's inside a function. So if we say print hello, so that's easy to write it. And if we say just say hello, know that you need to give parentheses here. It's going to say, but it will say hello. What if you don't give parentheses here? Let's just say hello like that, and it's going to say it's just a function. It's not going to say hello. But if we check the type of it, it's function. So if you don't give parentheses here, it's not gonna work. So that's how you're gonna write functions. So let's now use the return keyword now. So if we say def, and let's say my func, let's say my func, and let's do parentheses and this. But in the parentheses now, we're going to say num1 and comma num2, and then semicolon, and then instead of print, you're going to just say return. It's going to highlight it, and then we need to say, and we don't have to also give the quotes, brackets here, which is very good. And we need to say num1 plus num2. So if we run that, and let's say our func, and let's give a number like 10, 20, and if you run that, it's going to say 30. And note that it's going to say output, but we can also save it like this. The result is equal to my func and then let's say 50 plus 40. 50 plus 40, it's going to say 90 as that, and it's not going to print it instantly like it. But you know what? It usually used to put it instantly in the older versions of Jupyter or Python. So now I'm going to show you what's the difference between print and return. So if you say def, let's say print result, it's gonna again highlighted in blue. It's a completely different color. And then parentheses, and let's not give a variable like a plus b. Let's give it c plus d, I think. C plus D, and then quotes, and then let's try to print now. If you print C plus D, and then if I run that, it's gonna say invalid syntax. So you can't print anything like that. So for just printing an addition or something, you need to say return. So these are the two types. So these were the type of functions that we learned today. So let's now jump. So let's now go to the next lecture.